Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin and I haven't made like a video where I'm talking in a while, so this kind of weird. But yeah, I don't know if you can tell from the scenery, or I'm just gonna say it. I'm sitting on the floor right now. Why am I holding this already? I'm sitting on the floor right now because I actually did not know where else to film. But as you can tell from the title, this is a full face of Glossier. I did want to film my reaction and how the products applied, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into this video because I have to make it to school, so this video cannot be very long. So first, I am going to use a moisturizer. I didn't get Glossier's moisturizer just because I don't know, I felt bad. My mom was buying me all of my Glossier things as a Christmas present and I didn't want her to go bankrupt, so I'm using my own moisturizer. And this is from the Face Shop and it's Dr. Belmer Advanced. If anyone wanted to know, I am in love with this moisturizer right now. Very good for dry skin. I'm gonna put lip balm on my lips because my lips be hella crusty right now. That's what it says. When you open it, it says skin first, makeup second, smile always. And here's the pouch. As you can see, I really did not touch this. I'm gonna start with the skin tint. This is it. I'm sure y'all have heard a lot about this already. I'm gonna get my mirror. I don't like applying things with my fingers, but I know they said to use your fingers, so I'm just gonna follow what they say. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews on this product because people hate that it's too sheer. But to be honest, I was kind of looking forward to trying something like this because I really hate wearing a lot of foundation, or just foundation in general. I don't like it on my skin. So I was hoping this would be something I really liked, but let's see. I got a pimple over here. I didn't expect the foundation to cover it just because of all the things I've been hearing about it, but I hope the concealer will at least cover it a little bit, because that's the only thing that I'm not happy with my skin right now. Sorry if you heard that. That was my dryer because I really forgot that I had work today and I didn't wash my work shirt until now. It definitely still looks like my skin. It doesn't look like I have anything on, which I like, to be honest. It's making my skin look a lot healthier. I have dry skin, so this shine that's going on, I really like that. And it's not like a glittery shine or whatever. It just kind of looks like my skin's healthy. This hurts. I'm sitting on, oh my gosh. I feel like I look really short now. So I'm using the I'm going to be using the stretch concealer in medium. Looks like this. I'm sure you guys know what it looks like. I'm kind of late on this Glossier train, so I'm just gonna use my finger again. It's very very wet. It's even looking at it on my finger, I don't know if you could tell, but it's very shiny, wet. I'm gonna do some on my under eyes. I am not a makeup guru, so I don't know if you guys want to listen to the things I have to say, but in high school I really thought I could be a makeup guru. Caitlin really thought that didn't happen. I'm gonna try and cover up my little friend over here. It covered up the redness a little bit, around the pimple, I guess, the middle of the pimple. You could definitely, she's still there. The lighting situation is not cute, but I love my skin right now. I'm very happy. I look so I'm not used to my skin looking like this because my skin's so dry. So, but yeah, I've heard Glossier probably isn't the best for my oily friends. I guess I'll set my face now before I put on the highlighter and all that stuff. No, I'll put the blush on first and then I'll set my face, so then I don't set it with the highlighter on and you know. So I'm gonna do the Haloscope. I have highlighters, but I hate where you could see it's a line of highlighter and it's glittery and so I kind of like how this doesn't have glitters in it. I'm really excited about that. So I got the shade in Quartz. I don't want to just swipe it on my skin like everyone does. That's scary to me, so I'm just gonna use my finger. Okay. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. I said I was gonna put this on after I powdered my face. Well, we're too late now. Wow, I really said I was gonna put the cloud paint on first and then I put the highlighter on. That's how you know your girl is tired, okay? I really hope it's showing on camera, but I love that. Kind of looks like I'm sweating. But no, the shine that it gives, I love. So now I'm gonna use the cloud paint in Dusk. This I'm really excited for. Everyone raves about these. So yes, I wish I put this on before the highlighter, but I'm stupid, so yeah. Yo, even just like feeling my skin right now while I'm putting this on, it's so soft and like nice. Oh my god, I freaking love this. It's so natural, like it really looks like it came from my cheeks, like it came from within me. Oh my goodness, I hate myself. Okay, well, hopefully it wears well. I'm just saying that now, like it looks well, or it looks good now, but I'm gonna see how it looks like after work, and maybe I'll give you guys like a little update at the end, but we'll see. I might forget. So sorry, I have nothing negative to say. I just really like all these products. Like, actually, if I didn't like it, I'd say it. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna set my face because I don't think I look like too like oily and masked or anything like that. I kind of like how my skin is looking, so I'm just gonna not touch it. Yeah, I'm kind of scared of just putting boy brow on them because I like filling in my eyebrows. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows and then put this on over top. So I'm just using the Anastasia Dipbrow in the shade medium brown. Look at this. How sad is this? I still use it every day. I don't know how it's not run out yet. I've had it for like 2 years and I was gonna say it's still going strong, but it's really not. It looks really sad. I'm gonna fill them in a little bit lighter than I normally do because I don't want to fill them in dark, and then the boy brow makes them even more dark, and I'm just, whoa. I got the shade black because like my hair is really black and I felt like brown would be too like not my brow shade. Ooh, I kind of dig this. I think I just need to practice with this product. I don't know how to use it, but definitely like looking side by side, this one looks more defined. Like I can see the hair is better than this side. It looks a little bit darker, not crazy, so I like that. It definitely feels like this is gonna stay all day. Like I feel like my eyebrows are going to stay in place. They're here to stay, folks. I said folks, what the heck? Okay, I'm gonna stop. Sorry. Normally I put an eyelid primer because my eyelids get greasy and then it causes like things to crease. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use the Painterly Pro Longwear Paint Pot. I love this product. Like, I've had a lot of eyelid primers. I really like how this one works. So I've been sticking to it. I didn't get the lid stars just because of how much people didn't like them. I'm gonna put Dusk in my eyes though because I think that would be like really pretty. I kind of just want a wash of color because Glossier is all like no makeup look. I don't want to put a lot on my lids, so I'm literally just gonna put this all over. Okay, so the only thing is I kind of put that base to make my eyelids matte so the eyeshadows don't crease because I get greasy eyelids, but Dusk is kind of making my eyelids a little bit shiny again. Not shiny in a bad way, kind of shiny like glowing from within, like all that stuff. I'm kind of scared that that means it's gonna crease, so we'll see. I would put eyeliner because I always put eyeliner when I do makeup, but as I said, this is Glossier and they're all about no makeup, and I feel like if I put a dramatic wing, it's just gonna ruin the whole effect. So I'm just gonna put mascara. I can't just do eyeliner without a wing. That feels so weird to me, so it's either you do like the whole thing or you just don't do it. So right now I'm just not doing it. I kind of lied in the title about Full Face of Glossier because I didn't get their mascara. Yeah, I'm gonna be using my own mascaras. Sorry, Glossier. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lower lash line. Normally I don't, but I don't know. Feeling the lower lash line today. Deserves some love too. Okay guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I didn't get Generation G lipsticks, unfortunately. I really want to. I'm probably going to invest in Glossier again if I really like how this wears throughout the day. I'll probably get their priming whatever priming moisturizer, the Generation G lipstick, the lash slick, and I think those are the only things I'm missing that I would want. But yes, so that's it. And overall results so far, I love this. I only like wearing dramatic looks when I'm going out. So this is definitely a very nice everyday. I just feel like me but better, you feel me? Anyways, I have to go to school. I'll be back later and I'll tell you how this wears because I'm literally, it's 1:30 right now and I'm not coming back from work until like 10:30, so we're gonna see how it works and I'll let you know my full opinions on it. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so I'm walking to my bus stop right now. I hope no one sees me because I look really weird, but I just kind of realized while playing back the footage that my lighting situation didn't really show the makeup too well, so I just wanted to show you guys. This is Dusk on my eyes. My skin looks healthier but doesn't look super greasy. Everyone was complaining about that, but I don't think I have that problem. My skin just looks like a lot healthier. Okay, I thought a car was gonna run me over. Dusk on my cheeks looks really nice. The highlighter showing. It's not super bright outside, like I can't even see the sun, so that's why highlighter isn't showing as much as it could. But yes, the concealer, I think I should have set that with Wowder because now I'm scared it's gonna crease, but we'll just see how it wears throughout the day. But I really like it. So yeah, okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey guys, it's currently 11:30 p.m. It's been a really long day. I'm gonna try and wrap this up really quickly because I only have 4 minutes left on my memory card, and also because I'm tired. So final thoughts. Overall, okay, I'm gonna say each product first. The concealer creased. I'm gonna insert a really ratchet video that I took on Snapchat with the flash on to show you how it creased. I'm sorry that this video sucks, but I hope it did the job. My eyes also creased. I tried to put Dusk on it. I think that is the reason why it creased. When I did put Dusk on it initially, it did feel like I had a dewy effect on my eyes, which I didn't really like, and I think that's why it creased. So next time, I definitely set the concealer with Wowder, and then I wouldn't put Dusk on my eyes. I think I just put a normal eyeshadow, like one that I already have. The skin tint didn't make my skin more dewy than when I first put it on. I kind of expected it to become more dewy because of what everyone was saying about it and all the complaints. My skin feels really great, like it feels so smooth and nice, and I think that's because I didn't put a lot of skin tint on. I feel like a lot of people on YouTube, because it's so sheer, they put more to try and build up coverage, but ultimately that just makes them more dewy and even sticky, in my opinion. I know I saw one YouTuber who was complaining about her skin feeling sticky, but my skin feels so healthy. Like honestly guys, I'm not like kidding, it feels so soft. I think next time though, I would add a few drops of skin tint to like half a pump of my normal foundation, just to add a little bit more coverage, and also to save on product in the skin tint, because since it's so sheer, I feel like I'm gonna run out of it really fast because it's so easy to just like keep putting more on. The Haloscope highlighter, I don't know if it's because I didn't put enough on or what, but I feel like because my whole face was dewy looking and like healthy looking and all that stuff, the Haloscope kind of just like blended in with my skin. I didn't notice any like whoa highlight, like my cheeks look like wow, you know what I mean? I feel like my whole face kind of looked the same dewiness all around despite putting highlighter on my cheekbones. Next time I'll try to add a little bit more and see if that helps, but that's just my personal opinion. Boy brow, great, no complaints about that. I love it. I didn't feel it on my eyebrows at all. I can feel it when I touch it, but if I'm just talking to you, I won't notice that anything's on it, so that's really good. I know a lot of eyebrow products, you can really feel it on your eyebrows and that bothers a lot of people, but this one's really good. Cloud paint, great. It blended in so nicely. Like there's no streaks on my face at all. Even when I apply the skin tint with my fingers, no streaks. It looks like my skin is blended to perfection, and I love that. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video now because my camera's about to die and run out of memory, and I'm tired. But I hope this video helped you guys, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video whenever that is because I don't upload regularly. Okay, bye!